Can Linux Mint actually revive a 10-year-old PC? Yes, and here's the part most people miss. A desktop often benefits even more than a laptop. Let's get to it. On an old Windows machine, boot times crawl, the fans spin up just opening a browser. The hardware isn't dead, it's being held back. Linux Mint is light, it's free, and it breathes new life into components most people have written off. And this is where the desktop wins. With a desktop, you can upgrade the RAM and swap in an SSD without taking apart a laptop case. Those two changes alone, on top of Mint, can make a 10-year-old machine feel like new. A laptop is sealed up. A desktop opens up. That's the whole difference in one sentence. So if you've got an old PC gathering dust, try it. Install Mint on a USB drive first, boot it live, no commitment. See for yourself how fast it runs. If this has been a help to you, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. As I say at the end of every episode, it's a wrap.